Everybody, it's Wednesday morning. It's been 72 hours since the Vinny's Master Applied Coatings video came out, and we had that ceramic coating done to our trailer here. Blair and I are parked at a state park in Alabama. The park is gorgeous. There were a lot of entries, and this is for the Cornhole giveaway with the Yosemite background painted on it. Very beautiful set of cornhole boards. They're travel size. If you don't win today, you can still pick up yours at a link down below in this video description. If this is on social media, particularly Instagram, a link in the bio, you can get it there too. And you can also find it on our website. Spinning the wheel, spinning the wheel, spinning the wheel. Okay, 76. Let's see who that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Number 76 is Ronaldo. Ronaldo, congratulations to you and your family, and I will reach out to you directly, get your shipping address, and see where we're going to send this thing off to. I can't remember what's next week, but in 2 weeks, there's going to be a power station giveaway. This thing is huge. It's awesome. Solar generator is what it's called, 1500 watt. It's going to be a huge giveaway. It's going to cost me a lot to ship it, but that's okay. I love you guys. We love you guys, and thank you very much for tuning in and making us a part of your day. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out via the contact us link on our website, or leave comments down below, or right back on the channel, or anywhere like that. I do my best to get to everybody. Have an awesome day and happy adventures, everybody.